Hello. Okay, so it is Monday. Yesterday, Sunday, was just a total me day. I didn't really want to do any filming. I didn't do a lot of work. I just ate some really good food, got outside and did some exercise and hung out with some people that I love, and that's really all I wanted to do on my Sunday. Today is Monday though, and that means back to the real world, back to work. Tonight I am making the skillet salmon in the artichoke sauce, and I am so excited for that because it sounds so good. And then after that, it is the UGA game tonight, so I will be out at a sports bar for that. Once again, not drinking the alcohol, so we'll see kind of opinions and whatnot on how that goes. All right, so it is Tuesday during week 2, and last night was the national championship game. Go Dogs. That is where I went to college, so we are back-to-back national champions. Gotta love that. But I did go and watch the game at a sports bar that had this really big event, and they had this massive buffet of like all of my favorite bar foods. And I had to say no. I had to pass up on all of them. I did good because I ate my dinner before we went to the event, so I wasn't hungry, so I wasn't like super tempted. But I did have to walk by it every time I went to the bathroom, and it was just like, it all smelled so good. Tater tots and wings and burgers and fries and dips and But I didn't eat it. I did good. And then obviously I was at a sports bar, so it was a rowdy, fun, high intensity, alcohol fueled environment, right? And probably my favorite tip and trick is I went to the bar and got ice water with a lime in it. And it looks just like a vodka soda when it's in a cup. So I just sipped on that, and nobody even asked any questions. Nobody questioned a thing, which was nice. So I didn't have to deal with the, why aren't you drinking? Da, 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 da. So that was nice. So pro tip right there, get yourself a little fake cocktail when you're out and people won't even know. It was nice. I was also around a good bit of nicotine last night, and I will tell you that is the first time I have felt really, really, really tempted. Yeah, it was tough. I mean, they were sitting, the little vapes were just sitting everywhere on the table, and I was just like, 2 weeks ago I would have said, yeah, can I hit that? Can I hit that? But I didn't do that this time. I didn't drink alcohol. I didn't smoke nicotine, and I did not eat the buffet. I literally stuck to the Whole30 rules, and it was a really good feeling to make that promise to myself and keep that promise to myself. It felt really, really good. So survived last night, thank God. Woke up this morning feeling great. I went home at halftime and just watched the rest at home to make sure that I was asleep at a decent hour. Woke up feeling like $1,000,000. I went and worked at a coffee shop all morning this morning. Just having a great day so far. So happy Tuesday. It is Thursday. I had to go into the office this morning, so a little bit of a rushed morning. Usually I work from home or I work in like a coffee shop, but every now and again I will have to go into the office, so had to go into the office this morning. Other than that, having a pretty chill Thursday. Hopefully I'm gonna get outside. It's been pretty gloomy all week. So maybe the sun will come out today, and me and Louie can go on a cute little walk at some point. Just gotta finish up the rest of my work for the afternoon. And then I'm either going to make the Jamaican jerk chicken tonight with the plantains and the raspberry sauce, or I am going to make the steak. But I think if my boyfriend comes over tonight, it'll definitely be the steak because he can cook steak way better than I can. No shame in admitting that. So we'll see how it goes tonight, what I end up making. But so far, happy Thursday. It is Friday. I have had an insanely busy week, which is crazy because it's such a stark contrast from how 2022 ended. And I don't just mean like the last week of 2022. I mean, I was in an absolute rut at the end of 2022. I would say for like the last 2.5, 3 months. So it's really crazy to me how busy I've been this week. And I think it has something to do with just being in a better mind space overall. I 100% feel better, whether from eating better during Whole30, no nicotine, no alcohol. I just feel better. I'm sleeping phenomenally. I'm waking up earlier. I'm getting things done. It sounds crazy because it's been 2 weeks and I actually feel like this has been an insane change, but you know, maybe I'm just riding a high right now and I'm just like at a peak and I just feel really, really good. But I have had such a busy week, such a productive week, and doing things that I enjoy again. And I feel like I have a little bit of a purpose again. And I think that Whole30 has made me feel like I have a purpose again because my health became my purpose when I felt like I had no other purpose. And I think that that's really, really healthy. And I think it's been really, really good for me. So yeah, it's been a little hard to film this week simply because I've just been busy with life. And I'm super excited though. I'm feeling great. And I am going out to dinner tonight with one of my favorite, I guess you could call her a mentor, but I also just call her a friend. And we're gonna have a nice little dinner, and this is the first time I will be eating out, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna have to be very, very cautious, but hopefully all goes well. No alcohol per usual, and we're just gonna have a good, wholesome Friday night. So, good morning. It is Saturday morning. I am officially halfway done with my Whole30 challenge. That is super exciting. I did go out to dinner last night and I had not eaten before, so I did eat dinner out, but I was super cautious. It was kind of a sports bar kind of vibe, so food was a little difficult, but I just got meatballs and broccoli as a side. Pretty simple, but filling nonetheless, and seemed to fit with the Whole30 plan. I did get my classic soda water with a lime. Delicious as always. Had some great conversation. Made for a fabulous Friday night. Today I am getting some work done. I am hopefully going to get outside, but it is freezing. So I don't know, maybe not. But just gonna have a good Saturday. And if this is your first time joining, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and that like button for me so you can stay up to date on my entire Whole30 journey. If you are returning, thank you so much. I'm really happy to have you. And let's just keep this journey up and keep it going. And next week is week 3, and I have a little special something coming for week 3. I'm gonna switch up my strategy a little bit for Whole30 and make it a lot more attainable for everyone, and I think it will just speak to everyone next week. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you back next week.